In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify QR code quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, creating a QR code is a fantastic way to enhance customer engagement and sales. Let's jump right in and make the process straightforward and enjoyable. To begin, you'll need to head over to your Shopify account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the applications that Shopify offers to make managing your store easier. Look for the option to add a new app and click on Plus Add. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for finding the specific app we'll be working with today. In the search bar, type in Shopcodes. This app is integral for generating QR codes within Shopify. Once you've located it, click on the app to open it. You should see the option to create a new shopcode. Select Create Shopcode, which will open up a new interface where you'll start customizing your QR code. Here, the journey gets a little more creative. You'll want to give your QR code a meaningful title. It could be the name of a product or a marketing campaign. The choice is yours. Next, decide on the scan destination. This could be a product page, which is great for directing customers to a specific item. Alternatively, you might want to direct them to a checkout page with a specific product preloaded, or even a promotion or discount page, urging them to make a purchase instantly. With the basics covered, take the extra step to customize your QR code further by integrating automatic discounts. This optional feature can seriously boost your sales by enticing customers with exclusive offers they can access just by scanning your QR code. Once you're satisfied with the settings and having reviewed everything to ensure it's pointing to the right destination, look for the download button. Give it a click, and just like that, your QR code is ready to be put to use. Save it to your device and consider how you'll display it. Maybe print it out for physical store placements or include it in a digital marketing material. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your customers' shopping experience and drive sales through Shopify. It's amazing how a few minutes can lead to such impactful results. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.